how to download and activate your iMobile app. The iMobile app lets you access multiple features and offers as well as manages your ICICI Bank account on the go. To activate your iMobile app, first download the iMobile app from the Play Store on Android or from the App Store on iOS. Next, select I already have an account if you are an existing customer. On the next screen, select Activate Now. Choose the SIM card slot which hosts your mobile number registered with ICICI Bank and select Verify Mobile Number. SMS will be sent to ICICI Bank for verification. The verification will be done within 90 seconds. Now you must select your login method. You can log in using I want to use fingerprint and 4-digit PIN. I want to use 4-digit login PIN. I want to use existing internet banking user ID. You can select a 4-digit PIN of your choice for login. Enter the 4-digit PIN and re-enter the same PIN. Click on Submit. Now, authenticate your iMobile app by selecting either of the methods. Use debit card. Use ICICI Bank Internet Banking user ID and password. If you have a debit card, then select Use Debit Card. For authentication process, click on Proceed. Authenticate the grid numbers at the back of your debit card to complete authentication. Please enter the grid values and click on Activate. In case you don't have your debit card, then you can select Use Internet Banking user ID and password for the authentication process. Click on Proceed. Enter your ICICI Bank Internet Banking user ID and password to complete authentication and click on Activate. If you forget your ICICI Bank Internet Banking user ID or password, please click on Forgot User ID and Forgot Password respectively and follow the instructions. Enter your user ID and password and click on Activate. You will then receive an SMS and your iMobile will be activated. Congratulations! Your account has been activated and now you can use your iMobile app to make transfers, pay bills and much more. If you have not registered your mobile number, please follow these steps. Visit your nearest ICICI Bank ATM. Insert your card and enter your PIN number. Select More Options. Select Register your mobile. Enter your desired mobile number. Your mobile number will be updated in 1 working day. You can also visit your nearest ICICI Bank branch along with your original photo ID proof. Your mobile number will be updated in 2 working days. Congratulations! Your account has been activated and now you can use your iMobile app to make transfers, pay bills and much more. You can now use all digital services on the iMobile app.